So WafR is a closed-loop mobile wallet, and it basically allows people to get cash back whenever they buy from the closest grocer. So basically WafR is a smartphone app that allows people to decrease their biggest expense, which is buying fast-moving consumer goods inside grocers. And for FMCG companies, WafR is a loyalty program that allows them to grow their market shares and sales. So the one milestone that we had and that we still have today is keep our growth pace. And when we talk about growth pace, it's obviously talking about the growth of our revenue. So we had been growing quite fast in the past few months, and basically what we needed in order to keep that growth was to grow our team and to have more people working on different kind of subjects. Today we are 16 people in the team, and without UM6P Ventures money we couldn't be able to have that much people on the team. So definitely UM6P Ventures had been a huge leverage in order to keep that growth pace. So without UM6P Ventures, we wouldn't have finished our seed round. Today we raised a bit more than $1 million, and just after raising from UM6P Ventures, it had been super easy to take money from other very prestigious VCs such as Launch Africa Ventures. So that's the first thing. Second thing, after that they came in, we had been working a lot in how to manage the relationship between the company and all the other VCs, and to do it in a structured way in order to make the company totally visible for every shareholder in the company. So yeah, UM6P Ventures in that landscape had been very, very helpful. And today, thanks to their work, we have a runway that we can push all the way to early 2024. So to be totally honest, the one thing that is really critical for me is people. After all, when you get money from an investor, you partner with people, and what I think is really important both for the company success and growth, it's to have an aligned vision with people, and not only aligned vision for the company but also aligned values, and this is definitely what I found in UM6P Ventures and also in the other VCs and business angel that are now partnering in WafR. Well, it's a super hard question. Thank you for thinking that I can answer it. Well, the one thing that I can say is be focused on execution. I think that the one thing that is really critical in the early days is to be able to show to VCs that numbers are growing. And the only way to make those numbers grow in the very early days is to work a lot and to be very focused on quantitative issues. So yeah, be very focused on execution.